Handstand, shrugs, pike, feet on box. If you're looking to improve your shoulder elevation strength for handstands, give this pike handstand shrug a try. Start by placing your feet on an elevated surface at roughly hip height. It's best to keep your feet together and legs straight throughout the movement. Next, place your hands on the floor and walk them in towards the elevated surface until your wrists, elbows, shoulders and hips are vertically stacked. Your ability to achieve this will depend on your pike flexibility. If you can't get fully stacked yet, just position yourself as close as flexibility allows. Your hands should be shoulder width apart with your index fingers pointing forward. During this exercise, it's crucial to keep your elbows locked to ensure the movement isolates the shoulders. Since the goal is to increase shoulder elevation strength, it can be helpful to contract your triceps throughout the entire set to maintain elbow extension. Begin by allowing your shoulders to relax and depress. Sink your head down towards the floor. You'll notice that the space between your shoulders and ears increases as your head drops. From here, push down into the floor and elevate your shoulders as much as possible, aiming to reduce the space between your shoulders and ears. Can you get your anterior delt to touch your ear? As you elevate the shoulders, externally rotate them by twisting your hands into the floor towards your pinky fingers. This small adjustment helps increase shoulder elevation and strengthen the stabilization muscles needed for handstand balance. Focus on keeping the movement as vertical as possible. Avoid excessive arching of the back or shifting your shoulders forward as you shrug. Hold the elevated position for 3 to 5 seconds before relaxing your shoulders and sinking your head back down towards the floor. Common mistakes here include not walking the hands in far enough, not keeping the elbows locked throughout the movement, shifting the head forward or leaning the shoulders forward instead of moving vertically. A good starting point is 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps with a 3 to 5 second hold at the top of each rep. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.